Creating a successful social ad campaign is a multi-step journey. Careful consideration should be given to each step, from administrative tasks such as organization and naming conventions, to audience-facing assets such as creative and landing pages. Mastering these elements will enable you to produce an organized, well-constructed campaign that delivers results. Collecting actionable data on website visitors is a vital part of running social ads successfully. The best way to gather this data is by installing Pixels and Google Tag Manager on your website and any relevant landing pages as early as possible. These tools let you track and collect information on visitors to your site, which you'll later use for targeting ads, creating custom audiences, and ultimately proving conversions. It's essential that you put this technology in place well before your ad campaign begins, so you have enough data for effective targeting. Without Pixels, you lack visibility into the actions of your audience, which can lead to lost revenue and poor campaign performance. One way to effectively target audiences is to leverage large amounts of quality data, such as emails, job titles, and company info. Look around your organization for instances where data is being collected from your customers and prospects, like newsletter signups or demo requests. This data can then be collated into spreadsheets and used to help guide the creation of custom audiences and targeting. You're likely creating many different ad campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads, and things can get confusing fast without a consistent, logical naming convention in place. To stay organized, your naming convention might include details like year, ad name, the ad set name, audience, coupon code, and the date the ad expires. If your company is global, you may also want to include team, region, and country names. You'll also want to create separate naming conventions for each level of organization, campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads. So consider what types of information would be most useful at each level. It's also a best practice to keep track of your campaigns and their data with one master spreadsheet. These steps will ultimately make pulling reports and proving ROI more efficient. Next, you'll want to consider the most effective ways for your team to receive creative elements. If you're working with a designer, it's a good idea to collaborate on a resource request template that allows you to lead the direction for the creative you'll need, while also leaving room for the designer to innovate. Within your request, be sure to include the copy for your ad, as well as an outline of your target audience, which will enable your designer to better tailor the creative to the campaign goal. You should also include a few inspirational examples of ads that have converted well, either from your own past campaigns or from competitors. You should also ensure that all requests include specific requirements for each of the platforms you're planning to advertise on. For example, graphics for Facebook ads should not contain more than 20% text within the image. Alongside your creative requests, remember that campaigns need a landing page. If an appropriate mobile and conversion-optimized page doesn't already exist, tools such as Unbounce and Optimizely can help you easily create high-performing landing pages. Make sure that the headline, call to action, and creative of the landing page closely matches the ad that your visitors click to get there. Design your landing page with a single purpose in mind, using clear, concise copy to drive visitors toward one desired action with the fewest clicks possible.